Hello. Hello. So can you hear me? Okay, so how are you? Okay, so I am fine. Thank you for joining. Okay, so I already find your data set in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. So we are easily use the data set and try to make this time series chart, mainly CSV file format. You need to, and you also select the specific time period. So I simply share my screen. Just a minute, then try to show you that. It's also better. Okay, so now can you see my screen? Okay. Okay. So basically, this is our data set we are using for creating this type of NDVI map. So basically, this data set is that I simply open the data set and try to show you the description of the data set. So basically, this data set is that you can see GIMMS NDVI. It's mainly generated from the several NOAS AVHRR sensor. For the global data set, we can get from here, and we can get the data set between this time period 1981 from 2013 present 2013. Okay, this data set available, and this is a third generation of this data set. And mainly this data set provided, you can see the mainly we can get the NDVI band. Okay, and we can get the data set. It will this data set already reprojected. This data set, you can see we can get the data set from -1 to +1. So in this time, we don't need to use the reprojected. In this time, we can just simply select our region of interest, any region of interest, and then try to develop the time series CSV file format data according to your time period, which you want to mention in your email. Okay, so we can try to import all of this. So you want to plot total 4 region. Yeah, yeah, 4 plots. Yeah, 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 8 by 8 kilometer. Yeah. Okay, so 4 pixels. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So April, May, November, December, April, May, November, December, April, May. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. We can get 2013. Yeah, 2013. Yeah, between this time period. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So in this time, okay, just I simply open the Excel file. So you need to use here the in the year 1992. We need to make the composite April to May. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. And then download the CSV file format data. Yeah, yeah, and do for the same way 1992 November December, and also download the CSV file format data. And 1993 April May the same. Okay, I understand. Okay, and it will be only for the April May, and then November December. April May, then November December. Okay, so 1992 April May, then I also get the 1992 November December. Also for in this time, okay, I understand. Okay, so it will be start from 1992 and then up to 2013. 2013. Okay, yeah, at the 2013, and we can make the composite for 1 year. We can make the composite for the 2 time period. April, May, and November, December. Yeah. 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 Season 1, season 2, season 3. Yeah. Okay, so we can make the, okay, so I'll try to show you the sample. Suppose I want to make the CSV file from it only for the 1 year, and suppose 1992 any region I want to create, and then try to show you this. So just a minute. Okay, just a minute. So it also our pre-categorized. So just a minute. I simply select my region of interest, suppose Dhaka city. So I simply work with the Dhaka city first. So I simply import the Dhaka city shape file in here. uh, Dhaka city shape file I simply import, and okay, I put this time suppose RY, and then I simply send my time period, suppose year of 2000, suppose 13. I take the suppose April to um, April to May. I simply select that April to May. So 2013. So up April to May, January, February, March, April. So it the 4 to May. So May. Okay. So in this time it create the composite between this time period. Okay, and then I also need to select the NDVI band. I want to check how many images are available in this time period. I simply use the print function, print, and then simply NDVI. I simply use the size function, then how much image is available. So now it will be computing only for the 4 images we can get. Okay, between the only for the April to May year of 2013. Again, the 4 images in here. So in this time, okay, so I want to make the time series chart for the region of Bangladesh. Okay, so for this, I just simply just UI dot chart dot image dot series. I want to make all of the things, so I simply call the NDVI and paste here. I need this data set for my region of Dhaka city, is that ROI, and then reducer. I simply use here the EE dot reducer dot mean, and resolution of the satellite images. So mainly this resolution you can see in here. So this resolution is that this resolution I simply copy third. Yeah, then use at the system time start. Okay, then all of this I simply store in variable just chart, and okay, then I simply print this chart and click the run. So now I can get the time series chart. Okay, you can say I can get the time series chart look like this. Okay, so you can see April. Oh, I simply download the CSV file, then check the result. Okay, you can say I can get this result in here. For first April, 16 April, 1st May, and also get the, I think this is the 16 May, 16 May. Okay, so every 16-day time interval we can get, yeah, 16-day time interval, we can get the data set. You can see April to May. Okay, yeah, so you can see I simply open the chart also in here, also in the chart. Yeah, yeah, this is the maximum and this is the minimum. We can easily get, yeah, we can get this period maximum in here. Okay. Okay. So this is the one process how you can easily get the time series chart as well as also download the CSV file format dataset. Okay. So this is a simple process. I'll try to show you this part. And when you want to work with your region, then simply import your region and click to the run. You can easily get this. In this time, I can get the dataset only for my region of Dhaka city, which I want to import it the shape file. Okay. I can get this. Okay. So according the same process, you can easily get the any time period. So you can simply change the date, and you can simply put your month, and you can get the any season. Download your NDVI dataset from here. Okay. Okay. If you have any question. Yeah, yeah. So okay, so yeah. So okay, so you can send me your shape file. Yeah. You can send me your shape file. I also write the code for your shape file, and then you can I simply send you the code. Then you can easily edit the code and modify this time period, and you can easily download the any season time series chart. It also better. Yeah. Okay, so you can send me the shape file. Okay. Okay, so basically